Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of music with the Rhythm Bb Clarinet, a perfect choice for students, beginners, and even professional players. This beautifully crafted woodwind instrument features 17 nickel keys and comes in a striking black with silver accents, ensuring both style and performance. The package includes everything you need to get started: a durable carrying case, a convenient stand, a cleaning and care kit, and 10 reeds to keep you playing smoothly. Designed for ease of play, the Rhythm Clarinet delivers a beautiful sound with professional tone adjustments made before it leaves the factory. Each instrument undergoes strict quality inspections, so you can be confident in its performance right out of the box. If you encounter any issues, their customer service team is ready to provide you with satisfying solutions. So, whether you're gifting it to a budding musician or adding it to your own collection, the Rhythm Clarinet is your ticket to creating beautiful music. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.